know about how to create 2D tool through a 3D model through a morph tool and converting 2D scripting and 3D scripting. Let's know about it, how to do it.
Hey guys, how to do 2D scripting through a morph tool. Let's know about it. First of all, open Archicad and choose tool. Here, and this is a morph tool. Different type morph tool, generic morph prefer. I choose these things and sketch on it. Here we go. Now, here and here. And here now we take angle 360. Now we 3 in 3D. You can see that here how look that like this. I hope you got it. And now again in 2D format, and we take a script through this mode. First of all, sync it. Here and now library an object and create a new object. You can see that. And now here, first of all we take a 2D of this model. Here select and drag it. Here the drag it. Now I'll drag it 2D format. Here you can see that, and you can check here. Now we proceed for the 3D. Here you can see 2D view. And now we proceed for the 3D. Here, here, and now here 3D. Now we can see that in 3D view. You can see that now also Here you can see that. Yeah. Now you see that this is now completely hollow, and this is the 3D model. Now we got it. Now I hope